Hi, my name is Sandy Springer. I've been a teacher since 1993. I have taught elementary education all the way through adults. I have a bachelor's degree in elementary education. I have a master's degree in English as a second language, and I'm also certified to teach Spanish, grades K through 12. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to use picture clues in teaching reading. Start out with a book that has a lot of wonderful, beautiful pictures. This one is a great example. This is Mufaro's Beautiful Daughter by John Steptoe, and it's got some fabulous illustrations. Picture cues can be very, very helpful because a lot of times if the words are a little bit too difficult for a child, they can figure out what the word is by using the picture. Start out by taking a picture walk through the book, page by page, and talk about what is on the page. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, as they read and they come across a word and they don't know it, and they make up another word, ask them, does it look right? Does it sound right? Does it make sense? Do you see that in the picture? That can be very, very helpful. Picture clues are a fabulous tool in teaching reading to your child. I'm Sandy Springer. Happy reading.